word cancer evokes very strong reactions from all of us, from doctors, nurses, and certainly our patients and their families. It is a life-changing event for sure, frightening and sometimes very confusing as well.
Patients feel that cancer, once they've been told they have it, is not treatable, and that's completely wrong. All cancers are treatable, and the treatment for all cancers is getting better and better.
How do we achieve this? Is actually in my mind through research, and that's one of the very important mission that we have at NCIS and in the Haematology-Oncology research group, the HORG group as well. And how we propose to achieve this is through research and better understanding into what actually goes wrong in the cancer cell. And by understanding what are the pathways, what are the genes, what are the proteins that become abnormal in the cancer cell, but not in the normal cells, then we can start to understand better way to actually kill the cancer cells without harming the normal cells. In fact, you can look at our portfolio of clinical trials, early phase clinical trials that we are doing at HORG. Many of these drugs are precisely coming in this direction. It's through a clear understanding of what are the critical, important pathways that are abnormal in the different cancers that we have developed new drugs from the pharmaceutical company that are doing early phase clinical trials for these different cancers.
Apart from differences in the cancer between patients, different people also have different innate abilities to handle the same drug. So although the same type of drug and even the same dose may be administered, some patients may have very good treatment response, others may have poor treatment response, yet others may experience unacceptable side effects. And this is because different people may break down or handle the same drug differently. And these individual differences in ability to metabolize or handle cancer drugs are increasingly being recognized, and much research is now ongoing to develop genetic tests to identify people with different drug handling abilities. In the near future, we hope to be able to do these tests routinely on the cancer and on the patients, and then use these results to decide what is the most effective and safe drug, or even the best dose of drug to administer to the individual patient as a form of tailored, individualized therapy.
Haematology-Oncology research group can bring its expertise to bear on the effort of drug development for cancer and be a leader in globally in this effort of drug development, and we can contribute in this way to Singaporean patients by bringing new treatments and new drugs to our patients earlier in the stage of drug development.
HORG is a critical element. In fact, I would probably say it's the defining element. Research is the defining element of NCIS and how we are going to benefit patients in Singapore. If we are going to take cancer treatment in Singapore from this level to this level, and then setting up the whole platform to take it even further in the future. Without HORG, we could never do this.
Patients are diagnosed with cancer, they often experience anxiety. So does all the family members, and for that, we truly understand. That's why at HORG, the coordinators and the doctors work very closely together to minimize that fear. We are here, we want to be here to work with the patients in their fight against cancer.